baby G80.
One more time.
Oh shit.
It's a 330 CS.
Hey, did you?
Yolin edition.
But you know what it looks like? It looked like this.
Alright, so your boy just got off work.
Hold on. I forgot to do my intro. What is good, yo? Yo, Lynn, checking in once again. Back with another video. And today, alright, that's it. That's all I gotta do.
Still waiting for Ricky, and I'm probably just gonna take a nap really quick. I'm so tired. I just got off work too.
He breaking the whole city
oh
down
my
in the
God, bro.
340, bro. What the fuck?
Oh my. Bro, I got ANTILAG right now.
That ass?
Yeah, no, dead ass. What the f is this, bro? What is this?
Hey, that's my car right there. The Batmobile. Imagine you hit a cinematic with that thing.
Hey, bro, you know what it looks like? It looked like this. Dude, why does the E92 look small? Does it not? It looks kind of like short. It looks good though. I like that.
It's because it's not lowered, I think.
Oh my god, I want one.
It's not Nardo, is it?
No, it looks like Grigio Telesto. I like the wheels.
The lip is clean.
The lip is clean. It looks like the E90 lips.
The lips too.
The GT style.
It's so aggressive.
I wish they made one for my car, bro.
I know.
I love those kind of lips. Pause.
Hey. Chill.
Yo, what the? Or if it's not a GTS, those taillights gotta go too.
Yeah, those gotta go. I like them stock, bro. Like how it comes.
Dude, I got the Florida Ave. What'd you get?
What's it called? Raspberry lemon. Oh, you know my ciders.
Oh, zesty, but.
Hey, it's either a 330 or baby G80.
One more time.
Oh shit.
God damn. Hey, man, this shit's tough, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Hey, you can rap that shit for me again, bro?
Yeah, bro. Nah, they ain't getting it again.
You know why? What?
One more time. One more time.
Yeah, let me do it one more time. Hey, bro, ready? I'm gonna rev it. I'm gonna rev the brakes.
For the one time. For the one time.
Quick. This is 330, y'all.
Bro, they probably think it's a 340.
It's a 330 CS. Close sport now. Okay. Wait!
Come on, bro.
What the fuck, dude? Dude, that shit sounds so good, dude. Dude, that sounds so crazy.
Hey, man.
Dude, those turbos though.
Dude. Fucking engine. Oh, it's hella hot right now. We gotta chill. Alright, where we going?
Go straight that way.
This way?
Yeah.
Bro, yeah, I gotta chill. Time not to hit that comfort mode. I changed the beep thing to the 2021.
2021?
Yeah.
Y'all would have known that if y'all watched the previous video before this, or 2 previous videos before this.
Yeah.
Stop slacking, bro.
Wait, what are we talking about?
The 2021 chime.
Are we talking about Yolin?
Yeah, we talk about Yolin, bro.
Oh shit, yeah, I forgot I said that in the video.
Yolin.
Do it again. He needs to do it again. He's gonna do it again. What up?
Bro, freaking hold.
Oh my god.